In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact PayPal support with an easy and straightforward tutorial. This guide will help you navigate the process smoothly, ensuring you receive the assistance you need from PayPal without any hassle. First, we're going to start by visiting the PayPal website. If you're not already familiar, the site is www.paypal.com. Once you're there, log in if you haven't done so already, and you'll find yourself on the summary page. This is your main account dashboard and is a crucial starting point for accessing all PayPal services. Now, from the summary page, take a look at the top of your screen. You'll find several menu options, one of which is labeled Help. Go ahead and click on this. Accessing the Help section is an excellent way to begin resolving any issues because it connects you to a plethora of resources PayPal offers to assist its users. You'll find FAQs, guides, and links to customer support. After clicking on Help, you'll want to look for Message Center. The Message Center is like your personal portal for direct communications with PayPal support. By clicking it, you open up a dialog box where you can view previous messages and compose new ones to send to a PayPal representative. PayPal's Message Center is helpful for keeping a record of your inquiries and ensuring you have a documented conversation, which can be invaluable for tracking issue resolutions and follow-ups. From here, click on Customer Support. This option usually appears prominently and is designed to give you access to all available support options. It includes both self-service tools and direct contact methods with PayPal representatives. The customer support page is your gateway to solutions, offering tools for troubleshooting and personalized help. Finally, you can type in your concern directly. There's a text box where you can describe your issue in detail. The more specific you are, the better PayPal can help you. It's always a good idea to include any relevant transaction IDs, dates, or specifics of your problem to speed up the resolution process. PayPal's system might provide automated suggestions based on your input, so be sure to check if any of these recommendations solve your problem before sending your message. It's a handy tool that could save you time. And that's it. Quick and easy steps to get the help you need from PayPal. I hope you found this guide simple to follow and that it resolves your issues effectively. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this one.